Hey, this is going to be a video showing how to disassemble the Scramble and put it into the case that I've designed. The case is going to be available to 3D print it yourself, or you can purchase it from one of the links in the description below. So let's get to it. The case will be shipped to you like this. We're going to go ahead and take these screws out. Let's loosen them to get that loose. Set that aside. You'll need to make sure you have this PCB plate still. To start with the Scramble, we're going to take the keycaps and switches off, making sure to keep them in the right order. And then we're going to use our screwdriver and take just the Scramble PCB off. So one of the main things that I did, I'll forewarn you, is I used a file to smooth down the sides of my PCB. So there might be some issues with case fitment if you do not do that, but it should be negligible. It should slide in there just fine. So we're not going to use the screws or this bottom plate and the standoffs anymore. I would recommend just putting these screws back in those standoffs at the end of this. So we're going to take our Scramble PCB and the case, and there's two slots here. We're going to put the Scramble in the bottom of that bottom slot, and then we're going to take our PCB switch holder and put that in the top slot. Make sure that this cut right here is lined up with where the rotary encoder is going to be. So it should just slide in there. Then we'll put this plate on, tighten all this down, and put our switches back in. Alright, and that is the Scramble in its case, ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you're interested, the links are in the description below. And if you've come here from one of those links, thanks.